Hi roller skaters, Kev here. Today we are going to talk a little bit about a little roller dance sequence that I learned and still learning. Hopefully you guys can pick this up. It's pretty fun to do. So you can do this move anywhere pretty much. We're outside skating today. You can do it in skate parks when you're waiting your turn, or you can do it in the rink. It's just something fun to add to your skating all around. It's fun to do, especially to music when you got music playing.
Of course.
So I'll do it at normal speed first,
okay,
and then I'll break it down into steps so you guys can hopefully pick this up.
As if it were to the beat of the music.
That's correct.
Okay.
All right.
That's cool.
And that's it. So it's a little traveling move with a little bit of footwork involved as well. So to do this, first off, stand even, neutral, and you're going to cross your left foot over your right.
Okay.
Sounds simple. Now step out with the right, and then you're going to take and step back with your right foot over and cross your left, and then step back out with the left.
Okay.
Right, and then you're going to roll this foot behind you.
That would be the left. Okay.
And sink down into that left leg, which is going to be your back, and you kind of fall back down. Put your right foot, your toe up for style points, right? And then this leads you to be able to, you're going to do a 180 out of this to the right and spin like a 180 spin. So okay, now you're going to do the same kind of move, but starting off with the opposite foot first. And in this case, it's the right now. You start with the right over the left, back out with the left, and step back across with the left, and then out with the right. And then you're going to bring your right foot behind you, and sink down into that back leg, which is your right. And put your left toe wheel up so you're on your heel wheels. And you're real light in this position, real kind of springy and balanced and just light. So this is going to allow you to spin now to the left, 180. And now you're back to the original starting position.
Cool.
You got it?
Yeah.
Or you want to do it one more time? Do it one more time real slow?
Okay.
All right, so you step across with the left, then out with the right, then across with the right, and out with the left. Then back across with the left, over the right, and then sink into the back foot, which in this case is your left. And you spin around to the right, step across with the right, out with the left, step across with the right,
to the left, out with the right.
Then sink down into the back foot, which is the right.
Right foot.
Heel up on the left foot. Come around and 180 back to the left.
Okay.
And that's it.
Let's see it regular speed, as if to the beat of the music, one more time.
All right, you can do the beatbox? All right. Got it?
Pretty cool. Yeah. All right. So you just keep changing. It's good for turning both directions, huh?
Yeah, it's a good mental muscle memory kind of thing. It does take a little bit of practice to get this down, so where you do it even both ways.
So like a brain puzzle.
It's like a brain puzzle.
Good for your mind.
Once you unlock it, it's good for your mind, and it becomes more smoothly, more fluid the more you do it, especially when you incorporate music to this. So,
yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
find like a good rhythm, like a kind of a nice I like to call it like a soul roll, kind of a
like a little soul roll,
even
slower
kind of even
flow, and it helps really helps to make this move smooth. So, I hope you guys like this move, the little dance sequence. It's super fun. We try to come up with things that are interesting for you guys, keeping it fresh. So hopefully you guys found this useful. If you have any other suggestions, please put them down below in the comments. And if you liked it, please like, and don't forget to subscribe.